Morning, guys. Jerry here from NXTGEN Graphics. Kind of shaved the head, got rid of the beard, but what a gorgeous morning today here in Kentucky. It's about 60 degrees this morning. Today we're going to talk about maintaining and cleaning your own personal vehicles. A lot of times as a mobile detailer, you're busy doing everybody else's stuff. You're scrambling trying to get more jobs, and you neglect your own vehicles. So today that's what we're going to do. We're going to clean our own vehicles. So you can see, this is the wife's van. Just got the doors opened up, fixing to start on it, but I mean, look at that. It's bad shape. Bugs right now are ridiculous. You cannot keep bugs off of them. And then, of course, here's the work van. We've got it plugged up, charging batteries. But even the work van is bad. Probably clean that up today too. It's a Saturday. And this is not in real bad shape. We keep this pretty clean. I no longer have 4 little kids. 2 are grown and moved out, and I got 2 at home, and one drives his own car, and the youngest daughter rides with him, so they're not in the van much anymore. But yeah, it's not too bad. A lot of clutter, some vacuuming, some love and care, TLC. You can see it's just got some dirt and stuff on it. Tires need some love. So today we're gonna clean my own vehicle for free. And that looks like about all the garbage. Now I just got to get the shop vac set up and start cleaning her out. Alright, so we got mats out, ready to roll. My 3 tools, weapons of choice: the long reach, the hair getter, and the short one when my wrist gets tired. guys, so I'm gonna get the plastics now in the van. I've got it slick around here. I got all the carpets vacuumed up. Looking really good. Shampooed, and I just used my carpet spray, which is the mix on the carpet spray is super clean, water, and some Fabuloso. Good mixture of chemicals, gives good smell, cleans good, and goes a long way. So now we're going to do plastics, and my solution for plastics is I've got this much water in the bottle. I've got snake oil, which is my ceramic solution, in here, and then super clean to here, and that's a good mixture. It cleans and protects, so it doesn't leave a shiny finish, but it leaves a little more like a satin finish, not a matte finish. But that's what I use, and I use this brush. These are Blue Hawk brushes. I got these from Lowe's, about $6, and I really like cleaning. They're super soft, but they're dense, so they get in there and you can scrub really good with these. I really like these. If they were just on a little bit longer handle, they'd be perfect. And then we also use what we call the boats. This is for our seats. This is our seat scrubber. We also use the brush too, but this is for the leather. We use this on the leather and the vinyl seats. It really does good. It's got a little felt pad on the bottom, and I think I got 2 of these for $6, $7. I'll put a link in the description below, and you'll be able to find these. We've got 2 of these. They work really good. We like them. So now we're gonna get the plastics. You can see it foams up really good. We use this on all our plastics, and it really does. We've had really good luck at it. It cleans really good. It leaves a really good finish and gives a little bit of protection, the SiO2 protection from UV, harsh rays and stuff. And it lasts. It's kind of waterproof. So gives that slickness, and it smells really good too. We like it. And people have been asking me about our mixture we use. And one thing I did is I forgot to get rags. Be right back. I generally use 2 rags. I keep a rag to dry with and a rag to wipe with. So I'm just kind of scrubbing, cleaning up all the suds when I can. And then I come back with this, and I just kind of buff it. Give it a quick buff, get any streaks or anything like that out. And it does a really good job. Gets everything good and clean. We like it. Alright, so I'm gonna clean on these seats. You can see they got some stuff on them, some crud. I got a 17-year-old and a 15-year-old sit back here most of the time. And I'll show you what we got here. Got my interior spray. Soak it real good. And I use 1 of 2 methods. Use a brush. It depends on how dirty they are. How good I clean them. Depends on how dirty they are is what tool I use. Both of these tools scrub really good. I'll show you the other one here in a second. So do that, and then Do the other one on the top. Like I said, both of these tools do a really good job. I like this point on there, so I can get down in there, get some of that crud. And then I'll just take my dry rag and I'll buff it dry here. Wipe it dry. Wrong rag. This is the rag I use. Then I just get my rag, scrubber rag. Go over it good. Down them cracks. At this point, I'm just in case I missed anything. This is just cleaning up the most of the wet stuff, getting surface debris off, that kind of thing. Then I'll take my dry rag and buff it dry. There you go. I don't know if you can see the difference in those two. Big difference. A more richer, matte finish. All the oils are off of it. And then you got my stuff. So that's how I clean the seats. Leather seats and vinyl seats. Alright, so I had to go in and get my hat. My head was on fire, burning. But got it all cleaned up, chopped back, clean, wiped down. Good, looking good. Seats are all wiped down and treated. Front's looking better. Alright, so now outside. There we go. Alright guys, so got her all shined up. Got the spray ceramic, the ethos on it. Detail spray. Looking good. Got the wheels dressed. Polished up. Looking good. Gotta hit that windshield, man. Them bugs are possible. Good, she's shinied up. All I gotta do is put the mats in it. Should be ready to go. Good and clean. Good and clean. Looking good. Let's get the mat in there. That's a wrap. See you guys.